Hey everyone, it's Brian from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Veloster N. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold the rear seats and taking a look a little bit more in the trunk area of this car. All right, everyone, now taking a look at the trunk room on the car. Now, it is a hatchback, so it is very easy and accessible to open this trunk. But what I do want to go over and show you is how to remove how to fold the rear seats and how to remove this cargo cover. Pretty simple, pretty easy format. Now, what we would normally do is we'd just pull this up a little bit and you're able to unhook these hinges here. And then down here, there's actually a section where you would just pop this open and it'll pop out, and you could do that pretty easily for both sides. So as you saw, very easy. It requires little to no force to remove it. Now, in order to pull down the seats, Hyundai actually made it super easy for you. All you would do is there's little levers right here. You just pull up on this lever so that it unlocks, and then you have one on the right side too. Now, something I do like to remind customers is this Veloster N, along with any Veloster, it is a 3-door hatch, which means that there is no door on this left side, only on the right. So if you wanted to put this seat down, all you would do is you'd push it from here in the middle, which is extremely easy to do. But you also have the option, if you wanted to rotate to the right and open this door, it makes it a lot easier for you to actually just swoop in, pull on the handle, and pull it down. So that is how easy it is to pull these rear seats down. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the page. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you guys so much for watching.